Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's craft. My name is Miss Danielle, and this week I'm going to teach you how to make magical door plates. So, while supplies last, you can come into the library and pick up one of these bags of supplies. And inside this bag you will find a paper plate cut out into a star shape, some adhesive gems, assorted sequins, 2 cotton balls, and a ribbon. What you won't find in your bag is a crayon and a glue stick. So I'm going to show you what to do with these. So the first step for this craft is to give the base of your door plate some color. So if you look on the paper plate, you will see that the edges are poofed up and the base is flat. That's the side that you want to color. So I'm just going to take a crayon and I'm going to quickly give it a color, just so that it doesn't look so boring. But if you like it white, keep it white. If you don't, give it a splash of color. I think the color makes things a little bit more fun. I definitely am a colorful person, I would say. So make sure that your door plate kind of just reflects how you are. So now it's all colored, and I'll show you what's next. So the next thing we're going to do is add our cotton balls to look like clouds. So inside your bag you have 2 of these. What you're going to want to do is start to pull them apart. Not all the way apart like I just did, but just flatten them out a little bit. Make them look fluffy like that. And do the same for the other one without completely ripping it like I am. And then you're going to take your glue stick and you're going to decide where on your door plate you'd like to put your clouds. So I'm going to put one right here. So I'm just going to slap some glue on it and put the cloud right on top. And don't worry about the little speck of glue. That'll dry up and go away. And then I'll show you what's next. So the next step of our craft is to add our adhesive gems and our sequins. Inside your bag you'll find a large variety of sequins. I picked out the ones that I wanted to use, and you're welcome to do the same. So these gems are attached to a piece of plastic, and all you really need to do is peel them off, kind of like a sticker. And just put them wherever you think they should go. It's very free form. Just do whatever you like. And then you do the same with the sequins, and you're going to want to use your glue stick to attach the sequins to your door plate. And then I'll do that and I'll show you what's next. So the final step of this craft is to make it an actual door plate by adding a ribbon to it so that you can hang it from your door. So you have a blue ribbon in your bag, and you're going to want to weave you're going to want to weave the ribbon through the hole and tie a knot on the top. And you feel free to make the knot as big or small as you want. So I'll make it about this size. Always double knot, just to make sure. And then you're welcome to cut off the excess with scissors. After you tied it up, it looks like this. And so at home, you can either hang this on a command hook or maybe a nail, or you can just tape it to your door and it'll dangle like a cute little decoration. And you're all done. So thank you for watching this week's craft, and I'll see you next week. Thank you.